my name's Adam Zoppo. I'm a groundsman and climber in training for August Heineke over in Grants Pass, Oregon. And today I'm going to review the Exotica Auto Lock RockD stainless carabiner, rigging carabiner. This is something I always just keep on my belt. I like to have it because I always use it on the ground or even in the tree. I mean, it's has some weight to it. I mean, it's let's see, 41 kilonewtons like this. So definitely has some strength to it. But it, you know, if I'm climbing and I get my rope over a limb, and I'll use this instead of throw ball just because it's easier. But this is the RockD. If you're looking for a rigging carabiner, this is definitely one to get, made in America. And I like the locking. Alright guys, have a good day.